Welcome back to the tiny home. It's a new weekend for us. We were actually up last weekend and didn't film anything. We had some family and just kind of hung out. So no footage from last weekend. We didn't get a lot of work done, but I'll show you what we did and also what's on the plan for this weekend. And so this weekend is Labor Day, Memorial Weekend, and so we'll be here for a few days. So you can see we have the ladders and the plank set up. We want to get done the fascia, soffit, and the trim underneath the soffit done, ideally. I don't think we're going to get all that done, but we'll see what we get done today at least. I'll go inside, kind of show you what we did last weekend. We got the Blackstone for an early Father's Day gift, which was awesome, so we cooked breakfast on that this morning. Girls are up in the loft playing games right now. But so last weekend and this weekend we got the insulation done in the ceiling and all the seams taped. Hey Soso.
Hi Daddy.
What game are you playing?
Ticket to Ride.
Ticket to Ride. Cool. So all the insulation and the ceiling's done. Niceys. And taped. And so now for the outside stuff, most of the rest of the summer is going to be all outdoor stuff. But the first time I do any of the fascia or soffit or anything like that, so it'll be a learning curve. It already has. I'm going to get my tools on. Abby's going to finish up dishes quick and we're going to start doing it. So follow along. It's a little wobbly up there, but if you hold on to the sub fascia, I feel.
Sparked energy by Duncan. Energy for the fun of it.
And then here on the trim.
On the fascia or trim?
The trim.
Yeah.
There's a little spot.
Right here?
Yes. I played I played classic rock. And a lot of those songs are on here. You gotta cut.
Carve as tall as I feel is big full cell. Ladders sketch at best. I love sketchy ladders. I'm just gonna do this long. No, I'm gonna have to cut it again. I'm gonna make a mark.
Hey, Hammond. Over here. Jack.
Take his truck.
Oh, they took the hike?
No, yeah.
The girls. So I kind of forgot that trim piece. Good morning, it's a new day. Yesterday we were working and some family stopped by, so just kind of stopped filming. I'm sure you saw that. Show you what we got done yesterday. Wasn't a lot, but we got the fascia, soffit, and trim done all on the short side. So. Did do one layer of paint over like the nail heads and stuff. You can still see them a little bit, but at least it's protected for now. Obviously there needs to be a bead of caulk between the soffit and the trim, and also between the fascia and the soffit up there. But overall it looks really good. Obviously took us a while, which I expected, doing this for the first time. So I think it looks really good. Today we plan on getting the tall wall done and maybe one of the gable ends. I'm not sure, but that would be really nice if we could. So got the ladder set up. Got this all set up last night with the plank. So we can do this tall wall. And in the order in which we did everything, I kind of had two schools of thought. One, I like to get the hardest thing done first. But the other school of thought is do something easy to get practice, so when you do the hard one, you know what you're doing. So we decided to do the easiest wall first, the hardest wall second, and then the two gable ends, which should be in the middle, last. So we'll probably just get that tall wall done today, and then we'll still have the two gable ends, and we'll do that. We'll be back in 3 weeks, hoping to get that done then. So we'll get all the tools ready, set the camera up, and follow along. Yeah, I can do it. Let's not put this end in the shit this time.
Yeah.
Might be later. Actually.
Well done.
We don't need this anymore because we're going to pull out.
I need Sophia, I need you right here.
Backwards.
Can I try controlling this?
So forward should make it go right, and back should make it go left.
So left is that way?
No, right's that way.
Okay, so if I do,
Which way do you want to go?
I want to go through.
Well, then you gotta hold it in the middle, kind of.
Okay.
You kind of have to hold it, because otherwise it will just move.
I don't have any speed in me. Should we go to that rock and say, land ho? Can we go over there so we can get that seaweed?
Sure.
Turn on the nail plate and say, next stop, rock. Next stop, Rock Island. Oh, can I touch it? I want to touch it.
Okay, rock ho. Kick your feet off of it.
Yep, we're going. Oh, wow. I can't pedal
Let her alone.
Doing that.
So push forward to go left or to go right. And pull back to go left. And then put it in the middle. Go straight. Sophie, can you grab that side? The handle, yeah.
2, 1,
I want it towards me still. You know what I mean?
All right, so I have everything cut to a
ready?
point.
Okay.
So if you want to go up first, we'll do the fascia. I'll mark it. You
Okay.
can just stay up there. I'll come down, cut it, come back up. We'll nail it in. I'll get the soffit, nail the soffit in. So you'll just stay up there the whole time.
Can I bring my drink in?
If you want, I don't care.
Good enough? What?
Well, I want to see it. Yeah, that'll be good enough. That's one thing. Yep, I got, you do like a... Yeah, that's good. Not too bad, though. I think the top is mine. The vents at the seam are a little off. They're not perfectly straight. Obviously, function-wise, it doesn't matter.
Right. Just a visual thing.
No.
There's nothing else. Only those two tiny ones, I think, because he started clearing.
Yeah. We finished the soffit and fascia on the back wall around midday. We spent the rest of the day playing. We took a four-wheeler ride to one of my favorite spots, a secluded lake completely surrounded by a state forest. We found this rope swing last fall and have been waiting to try it out. We're looking forward to the water warming up because it's still a little too cold to jump in. We packed up and headed home the next day. Another great weekend at the cabin. Until next time.
Use your gymnastics skills.
You ready?
Yeah.
One.
No, she's not.
Tell me when you're ready. One,
I think she wants to use her feet.
Again.
Catch me, Brent.